So everyone, we have a great competition among the 6 extraordinary students, and they claim that they can translate any sentence from Hindi to English confidently. Let's see who is the best translator over here. So all the 6 participants, you think you can translate any sentence confidently?
Yes, sir.
So loudly, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
First, you guys have to speak your name. What's your name?
My name is Drishti Chakli.
Drishti Chakri.
My name is Ambika Patel.
Ambika Patel.
My name is Riya Rajawat.
Riya Rajawat.
I am Abhinav Chauhan.
Abhinav Chauhan.
I am Ranveer Singh Bhatia.
Ranveer Singh Bhatia.
My name is Ansh Khandelwal.
Ansh Khandelwal. So here are the 6 extraordinary students, and let's see how they are going to translate. Now have the mic, Riya. Okay, just get it. So let's start. मैं इनसे back to back status पूछूंगा. Audience सभी तैयार हो?
Yes, sir.
अरे हो तैयार?
Yes, sir.
So let's start. मैंने कहा सुनो.
Listen.
बोलो.
Speak.
क्या सुनते हो?
Listen.
Do you listen? क्या बोलते हो?
Speak.
क्या आप इंग्लिश बोलते हो?
Speak English.
Do you speak English? का पैसिव वॉइस क्या होगा?
Is English spoken by you?
Is English spoken by you? If I ask you anything, मैंने कहा एक्टिव टू पैसिव चेंज करो, तुरंत बनना चाहिए. Get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, इस काम को करो.
Do this work.
Do this work. Keep it close. Keep it close. Yeah. मुझे जाना है.
I have to go.
I have to go. मैं जा रहा हूँ.
I am going.
जा सकता हूँ.
I can go.
आप कहाँ थे कल?
Where were you yesterday?
सर कल मैं बिजी था इसलिए मैं आ नहीं सका.
Sir, yesterday I was busy. That's why I could not come.
बोलो जैसा मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
Speak as I am speaking.
सर मैं आपके जैसे थोड़ा बोल सकता हूँ.
Sir, I can't speak you.
सर I can't speak like
as
you.
like you.
आपको बोलने की कोशिश करनी है.
You should try to speak.
आपको बोलने की कोशिश करनी है.
You should
You have to try to
to
speak. You have to try to speak. मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ.
I'm trying.
कोशिश करो.
Try.
बोलो.
Speak.
सुनो.
Listen.
क्या आपने सुना जो मैंने बोला?
Did you listen what I say?
Did you listen what I spoke? Abhinav, did you listen what I spoke? मैं नहीं बोल पाया. मैं नहीं बोल पाया. मैं नहीं बोल पाया.
I couldn't speak.
I could not speak. Now Riya, this is your turn. Only Riya will speak. Everybody, let's see how she is going to speak. मेरा नाम रिया राजावत है.
My name is Riya Rajawat.
मैं खंडवा से हूँ.
I am from
मैं
Khandwa.
खंडवा में रहती हूँ.
I live in
क्या आपको
Khandwa.
इंग्लिश सीखना पसंद है?
Do you like to learn English?
क्या आप इंग्लिश सीख रही हैं?
Are you learning
क्या आप इंग्लिश बोल रही हैं?
Are you
क्या आप इंग्लिश
speaking
बोल
English?
सकती हैं?
Can you
क्या
speak
मुझे इंग्लिश
English?
बोलना चाहिए?
Should I speak
क्या
English?
मुझे वहाँ जाना चाहिए?
Should I go
क्या आप वहाँ
there?
जा सकती हैं?
Can you go
क्या आप
there?
इंग्लिश सीख सकती हैं?
Can you
क्या आप
learn
क्लास में हैं? आप
Are you
कहाँ
in
हो?
class? Where
आप क्या
are you?
कर रहे हो?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? क्या बोल सकती हैं?
Can you speak?
बोलो जो आप बोल सकती हैं.
Speak what you can.
Speak what you can. करो जो आप कर सकती हैं.
Do what you can.
Do what you can. आपको बोलने की जरूरत है.
You need to.
आपको लिखने की जरूरत है.
You need to write.
लिखो.
Write.
बोलो.
Speak.
बोलने की कोशिश करो.
Try to speak.
कि आप जा रहे हो.
Are you going?
आप कहाँ थे?
Where were
आप कल
you?
कहाँ थे?
Where were you yesterday?
सर मैं बिजी थी कल.
Sir, I was busy yesterday.
सर मुझे घर पर कुछ काम था.
Sir, I had some work at my home.
क्या मैं जान सकता हूँ आपको घर पर क्या काम था?
Can I know what work do you
What
what
work?
work did you have yesterday?
Did you have कि what work you had?
What work you had yesterday?
Yes. What work you had at the home? सर मुझे ना एक शादी अटेंड करनी थी इसलिए मैं कल आ नहीं सकी.
Sure, I had to attend a wedding. So I
Could not
Could not come.
आपको रोज आना चाहिए.
you should
आपको
come
रोज
daily.
क्लास अटेंड करनी
You
चाहिए.
should,
आपको बोलना
attend
चाहिए.
class
आपको बोलना ही
daily.
चाहिए.
You
आपको
should
बोलना
speak.
पड़ेगा. आपने
You
क्यों
have
बोला?
to speak. Why you speak?
क्यों बोला?
Why had you speak?
Why did you speak?
Why did you speak?
Why did you speak? Now Abhinav, this is your turn.
Yes.
So Abhinav, you are from Gujarat,
Yes, sir.
and can we know where are you from Gujarat?
Sir, in Gujarat, it is Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu as a union territory.
Okay, so you live there.
Yes, sir.
Wow, and you come here to learn English especially.
Yes,
So
sir.
are you improving yourself or not?
Yes, sir. Of course, I am improving myself.
You are improving yourself. Okay, so between Khandwa and your city, Dadar, Haveli, and all, what differences you see? I mean, what kind of difference you see?
It's far as a 500 kilometer.
Okay.
And
The climate, I'm just talking about in terms of climate.
Yes, sir. There is a beach. That's why its weather changes sometime.
Okay. So are you happy with the weather of Khandwa?
Yes, it's better.
It's better. Okay. Now I think you have become used to.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm asking you a lot of things that you have to answer. The first thing is first we'll walk on the translation. Then we'll move on to some personal and some questions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now मुझे सीखना है.
I have to learn.
I have to learn. मुझे अपने आप को improve करना है.
I want to improve
सर
myself.
मुझे गाइड करिए मैं अपने आप को कैसे improve कर सकता हूँ.
Sir, how can I improve myself?
Please guide me.
Please guide me, sir.
यस ओके आप कहाँ थे
Where were you
आप
yesterday?
क्या करते हो
What do you do?
आप नून में क्या करते हो
What do you do in noon?
मुझे जाना है
I have to go.
मुझे इंग्लिश सीखनी है
I have to learn
मैं इंग्लिश
English.
सीखना चाहता हूँ
I want to learn
आप कल
English.
कहाँ थे
Where were you
आपने
yesterday?
क्या सीखा
What did you learn?
आपने क्या बोला
What did
क्या
you
आपने
speak?
बोला
Did
क्या
you
आप
speak?
बोलते हो
Do you speak?
डू यू स्पीक क्या आप बोल सकते हो
Can you speak?
आप क्यों वहां जा रहे हो
Why are you going there?
मैं वहां जा रहा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे वहां जाना पसंद है
I am going there because I like to go there.
एक्सीलेंट सोचो
Think.
अपने फ्यूचर के बारे में सोचो
Think about your future.
मुझे पढ़ाई करनी है
I have to study.
मैं पढ़ाई करना चाहता हूँ
I want to study.
क्या पढ़ाई कर सकते हो
Can you study?
क्या आप इंग्लिश सीख सकते हो
Can I learn English?
कैन यू
Can you learn English?
Can you learn English? Okay, so Abhinav, let me know about your qualification. What class exam you've given this year?
Sir, I had completed my 10th standard and I am eagerly waiting for my results.
Okay, so your result has not been declared.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how many percentage do you expect to get in 10th standard?
Sir, I think so it will be around 80 to 90.
80 to 90. Are you sure you are going to get above 80?
Yes, sir.
Above 80 or above 90?
Above 80.
Above 80 and below 90?
Yes, sir.
Because you know your limits.
Yes, sir, I am performing better, so. I
Okay,
think
okay,
so.
okay. Chali, that's great, Abhinav. So Ranveer,
Yes,
how
sir.
are you?
I'm fine.
You think you can translate anything confidently?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see how you are going to translate. मुझे बोलना है.
I have to speak.
मुझे जाना है.
I have to go.
मैं जाऊंगा.
I will go.
मैं जा सकता
I can
हूँ.
go.
It's too fast. I insist you to speak a little bit clear so that our audience can listen you exactly what you are talking about because you are too fast to understand. You know. Now, मुझे जाना है.
I have to go.
I have to go. Keep it close and speak louder.
Yes, sir.
सोचो.
Think.
मैं नहीं सोचता.
I do not think.
मैं बोलता हूँ.
I speak.
मेरे पास समय है
I have
बोलने
time.
के लिए.
I have time to speak.
I have time to speak. कल क्या हुआ मैं मार्केट से जा रहा था कल क्या हुआ मैं मार्केट जा रहा था तो मैंने एक एक्सीडेंट देखा
What happened? I was going through a market and I have seen an accident.
आई saw an accident वो एक्सीडेंट बहुत ही भयानक था
That accident was very injuriable.
टेरिबल ओके मैं वहाँ ज़्यादा देर नहीं रुका
I didn't stay there for a long.
ओके मैं वापस आ गया
I came.
आई कैम बैक मैंने पुलिस को कॉल किया
I called police.
मैंने एम्बुलेंस को कॉल किया
I also called ambulance.
ओके जब भी हम कोई ऐसी घटना देखें तो हमें पहले एम्बुलेंस को बुलाना चाहिए
When we see any injured
Whenever we see any kind of incident, so we should call the police first. We should call the ambulance first. Okay, ambulance को बुलाना हमारी जिम्मेदारी है.
to call ambulance is our duty.
Is our duty, is our responsibility, or you can say it is our responsibility to call the ambulance. मैं ambulance को कल बुलाऊंगा.
I will call ambulance tomorrow.
मैं इंग्लिश सीखूंगा.
I will learn
मुझे
English.
इंग्लिश सीखना पड़ता है.
I have to learn
मेरा
English.
फेवरेट स्टूडेंट का नाम लक्ष्य है.
My favorite student name is Laksh.
लक्ष्य एक अच्छा लड़का है.
Laksh is good boy.
लक्ष्य सुन रहा है.
Laksh is listening.
लक्ष्य नहीं सुन रहा है.
Laksh is
क्या
not
लक्ष्य
listening.
सुन रहा है?
Laksh
क्या
is
सुनते हो?
Do you
क्या
listen?
सुनोगे?
Will you
क्या बोल
listen?
रहे हो?
Are
क्या
you
बोलते हो?
speaking?
क्या
Do you
बोल
speak?
सकते हो?
Can you
क्या आपने
speak?
बोला?
Did you
आप कहाँ
speak?
थे?
Where were you?
आप कहाँ हो?
Where are you?
आप क्या आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हो?
What are you studying?
क्या आप रणवीर भाटिया हो?
Are you Ranveer Bhatia?
क्या आप एक इंटेलिजेंट लड़के हो?
Are you an intelligent boy?
क्या आप इस काम को कर सकते हो?
Can you do this work?
That's good job, Ranveer. Now pass the mic there. Yes, what's your name, dear?
My name is Ansh Khandelwal.
Ansh Khandelwal. So Ansh, are you enjoying the Persona summer camp?
Yes, sir. Very
Really?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How much time do you spend every day here?
Sir, 4 hours.
4 hours.
Yes.
Wow. So 2 hours and those two sessions you are attending.
Yes, sir.
Wow. And let me know. You think you can translate anything?
Yes, sir. I can
how many
translate better.
days? How many days you have completed in Persona?
1 month.
1 month you have done, and you think you can translate anything confidently?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah, come forward little bit. Okay, मुझे सीखना
I
है,
have
मुझे
to-
जाना
I
है,
have
मैं
to
जा
go.
रहा हूँ,
I
मैं
can-
जाऊँगा, मैं जा सकता हूँ, मुझे जाना चाहिए, keep
I should
speaking. Okay, मुझे जाना है,
I have to go.
जाओ,
Go there.
यहाँ आओ,
Come here.
स्टेज पर आओ,
Come on the stage.
आपको स्टेज पर आना
You
चाहिए,
should come on the stage.
आपको इंग्लिश सीखनी चाहिए,
You should learn English.
आपको इंग्लिश सीखने की जरूरत है,
You need to learn English.
इंग्लिश सीखो,
Learn English.
इंग्लिश बोलो,
Speak English.
स्पीक इंग्लिश. सर मैं स्टेज पर नहीं आ सकता, मुझे ना डर लगता है.
Sir, I cannot come on the stage because I am afraid.
I am afraid या और I get fear. आपको वहाँ नहीं जाना चाहिए,
You should not go there.
आपको यहाँ आना चाहिए.
You should come here.
मैं आऊँगा,
I will
मैं
come
आ
here.
सकता हूँ,
I can
मुझे
come
आना
here.
पड़ेगा,
I have to come here.
आना पड़ेगा. I will have to come.
I will have to come here.
Got it?
Yes.
चलो, that's great dear. Wow, you did great job. Ambika Patel.
Yes.
So Ambika, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
How are you feeling on the stage?
Sir, very nervous.
Very nervous. Okay, let me know why do you feel nervous? You are supposed to feel confident. ओके बिकॉज पर्सोना के स्टूडेंट कैसा फील करते हैं स्टेज पर आकर? यस कॉन्फिडेंट फील करते हैं। देखो हमारे रणवीर को कितना कॉन्फिडेंट। रणवीर आर यू कॉन्फिडेंट?
Yes, sir.
ये हुई ना बात। चलो मैं आपसे सेंटेंस पूछूंगा, आपको आंसर करना है। आर यू रेडी टू आंसर?
Yes, sir.
ओके मेरा नाम अंबिका पटेल है।
My name is Ambika
मैं खंडवा
Patel.
से हूँ।
I live in
मैं खंडवा
Khandwa.
में रहती हूँ।
I live in Khandwa.
मैं इंग्लिश सीख रही हूँ।
I am learning English.
मैं पर्सोना से इंग्लिश सीख रही हूँ।
I'm learning English from Persona.
मुझे इंग्लिश आती है।
I
इंग्लिश सीखो,
learn
इंग्लिश
English,
बोलो,
speak
इंग्लिश
English.
बोलने की कोशिश करो।
Try to speak English.
ट्राई टू स्पीक इंग्लिश। सुनो,
Listen.
आपको सुनना चाहिए।
You should listen.
आपको बोलना चाहिए।
You should
क्या
speak.
बोल सकती हैं?
Can you speak?
क्या मैं बोल सकता हूँ?
Can I
क्या
speak?
मैं जा सकता हूँ?
Can I go
क्या मैं
there?
जाऊंगा?
I will
क्या
go.
आप जाओगे?
Will you go?
Will you go? क्या सो रहे हो?
Are you
सेंटेंस है।
Are you sleeping?
आर यू स्लीपिंग? मुझे लगता है आप सो रहे हो।
I know.
मुझे लगता है। I think
you sleeping.
you are sleeping. मुझे लगता है आप क्लास में नहीं हो।
I think you are not in class.
I think you are not in the class. आपको सेंटेंसेस बनाने चाहिए।
You should make sentences.
आपको यहाँ आना चाहिए।
You should come
मैं
here.
यहाँ आता हूँ।
I come here.
मैं इंग्लिश सीखता हूँ।
I learn
मुझे
English.
इंग्लिश सीखनी पड़ती है।
I have to learn English.
सर मैं इंग्लिश सीखना नहीं चाहता लेकिन मुझे इंग्लिश सीखनी पड़ती है।
Sir, I have not learn English.
मैं इंग्लिश सीखना नहीं चाहता।
Sir, I don't want to learn English because I have
But-
to.
but- but- but-
but I have to learn English.
But I have to learn English. Ambika, some minor mistakes you are making, but that's okay. Now, what's your name, beta?
Drishti.
Drashti.
Yes, sir.
So Drashti, keep it close and speak in mic. Yeah. So Drashti, first I would like to know in which class do you study?
I study in 7th class.
7th standard. And you think you can translate anything confidently?
Yes, sir.
So let's see. First, let me know how many days you've completed here.
Sir, I have completed 1 month.
1 month. You think you can translate anything within a month?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sir, मैं लेट हो रही हूँ, मुझे जाना है।
Sir, I am getting late. I have to go.
आपको कहाँ जाना है?
Where will you go?
Where do you have to go?
Where do you have to go?
सर मुझे परसोना जाना है।
Sir, I have to go Persona.
आप पहले से परसोना में हो।
You
You are
are
already in persona.
already in Persona.
You are already in persona. मैं जानता हूँ मैं पहले से परसोना में हूँ।
I know I am already in Persona.
मैं इंग्लिश सीख रहा हूँ।
I am
मैं इंग्लिश
learning
सीखता
English.
हूँ।
I
मैं
learn
इंग्लिश सीख
English.
सकता हूँ।
I can
मुझे
learn
इंग्लिश
English.
सीखना
I
चाहिए।
have to learn
आपने इंग्लिश
English.
क्यों सीखी?
Why do you learn English?
Why did you learn
Learn
English?
English.
अब आप क्यों गए?
Why did you go
अब
there?
यहाँ कैसे आए?
How did
अब
you
यहाँ
come
कैसे
here?
आओगे?
How did
अब
you
यहाँ
come
कैसे
here?
जाओगे?
Why-
अब इंग्लिश कैसे सीखोगे?
How did you
आप
learn
इंग्लिश क्यों
English?
सीखी?
Why did
आप
you learn
इंग्लिश
English?
कैसे सीखी?
How
आप
did you
किसके
learn
साथ
English?
यहाँ आए?
By whom did you come here?
Wrong. आप यहाँ किसके साथ आए? With whom
whom
did you come here? मैं यहाँ अपने पापा के साथ में आया।
I come here with my father.
I come here कि I came here.
I came here with my father.
I came here with my father. मैंने इंग्लिश सीखी।
I learn English.
मैंने इंग्लिश बोली।
I speak.
I spoke English. मैंने sentences बनाए।
I make sentences.
मैं कॉलेज गया।
I went college.
I went to college. मैंने इंग्लिश बोली।
I spoke English.
इंग्लिश बोलो। सेंटेंसेस
English.
बनाओ।
Make
यहाँ
sentences.
आओ।
Come
दूसरों
here.
की मदद करो।
Help others.
हेल्प अदर्स। दूसरों की मदद मत करो।
Don't help others.
आपको दूसरों की मदद करनी चाहिए।
You should help others.
आपको यहाँ आना चाहिए।
You should come
आपको
here.
सीखना चाहिए।
You should
आप
learn
सीख
English.
सकते हो।
You should learn.
आप सीख सकते हो।
You can learn.
आप बोल सकते हो।
You can speak.
आपको बोलने की जरूरत है।
You need to
आप
speak.
कहाँ थे?
Where were you?
आप कहाँ हो?
Where are you?
अभी आप कहाँ हो?
Where are you now?
मैं अभी घर पर हूँ।
I am in a house.
I am at home now.
I am at house.
I am
now.
at home now.
I am
बोलो।
at home now.
हमें सीखना चाहिए।
We should learn.
We should learn. हमें जाना चाहिए।
We should go.
हम जा सकते हैं।
We can
हम
go.
जा रहे हैं। हम
We are
जाएंगे।
going. We should go.
We will go.
We will go.
हम जाएंगे।
We will go.
हम आएंगे।
We will
हम आ
come.
सकते हैं।
We can come.
We can come. That's great performance. You guys did a good clapping for all. Wow.